what can happen with your French door Frigidaire refrigerator if you're not careful. Now this thing's about a year old. I guess we got it at Lowe's, and it works great. It has a lot better, I guess, storage than the normal. But what I found out is over time, I guess you can see that the left door is higher than the right. Okay, what the problem is, there's a sealing bar right here. See this bar that goes on the refrigerator that opens and closes? And see, there's a track back here in the back. You see that? So as you close it, the sealing bar has to go back forward so the left door can seal. See that? Looks simple. But the problem is, I found out if that drops too much, so if you open the left door for the refrigerator, then you open up the right door, the sealing bar stays open. And if you see that it's actually slightly low, watch when you open it, it doesn't flip that sideways. See, when it comes out, it's supposed to, I'll hold my whole hand on it, it's supposed to flip, see? And when you back it closes, but look at this, it opens up. And guess what happens? Which happened to me the other day, which felt like it was gonna break my finger. So I closed this, and it's gonna be hard to show, I'm not gonna smash it. And then I had this, it was open, which I didn't see that. Started to close, I mean, I closed it hard. And if you can see how that hits right there, hits the other handle. I had my thumb right there, and it hit it just like that. And oh boy, that hurt. And then, you know, this is one of those things that you don't want to happen to your wife or your kids or whatever. So I'm just putting this out here to warn people to be watched out on these. And it can work probably on any of these type. 6mm is what I found out. And what you do is you open the door. No. And then we open up the freezer. And at the bottom, you'll see at the bottom of the track, there is a 6mm screw.
Right about there.
Yeah, right there. And you twist it righty-tighty, and you adjust it up.
And this is
Okay, I'm gonna go up about that high, and then we're gonna go and see if we're now aligned with it. I did about 1.5 full turns. And now it's up higher. So we'll see if I've actually started to adjust it. See, now look, the sealing bar is now closing like it's supposed to. This is just a feature that, I mean, they should warn you about, because you almost break your finger if your kid does that to his hands with the weight of this door and you can close it. It could really hurt him. So I'm gonna go a little more because I wanna make it equal to the other one. These are just simple, fast videos. Just trying to show you quickly how to fix your own issues so you don't have to hire someone to do something that shouldn't cost you anything. You can put this in, let me fix it one more time. So here we go, we're gonna close it. The close is fine, the door heights up. I guess I could get a little more to get perfect. I'm looking right here at this angle when it opens. See, now it doesn't open with the sealing bar staying in the open position. It's actually sliding. So now, if I go ahead, so when I close the door and I close this one, I'm not gonna smash my fingers anymore.